guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna unbox my Aprés haul. I think that's how you say it. Aprés, I don't know how they say it, but whatever. I'm gonna unbox this. This is my first order. I did this order before Black Friday. I should have waited for Black Friday, but I was so anxious and I wanted to get this order in. But I do have another order coming from them. I took advantage of their Black Friday sale, and I should have waited for their Cyber Monday because they are doing you buy, I think it's $75 or $49 and you get a free gift. They're doing a free gift with $49 purchase. For the Cyber Monday. So this video will be up today, which is Cyber Monday, so just be sure to go to their website and check them out. So it came nicely packaged, and this is a big box. This is a huge box, and I have my invoice here. Let me take out everything that comes in the box, that way we can see what I got. Okay, so that's everything. So let's start with this one. This is the Art Ink number 3, and it comes in this nice little black box. Don't mind my nails. I don't have any nails on because I want to do this, and then I have another video request, and that they want me to do the Starry Night Whispers kit on this hat, on my hand, from prep all the way to finish. So I'm gonna do that. That's gonna be the next video after this unboxing. So I will not be using any of these products in this video. I'm just gonna unbox them, and then in my next video I'll show you how I used these products. So, and then when my second order comes in, I would unbox that as well. So I like this little box because it's like magnetic. So let me open this, and these are the ones that I picked up. These are the art inks. I got number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, which is 13 is a white, 14 is silver, 15 is rose gold. I got 16 the copper, 17 gold. Oh, my hands are so ashy. I've been using hand sanitizer like crazy. And then number 18 is the ultra black. So I got these. This is the metallic series. They're watercolor inks, and it tells you in the back how to use this. And the bottles are so cute. I've been wanting to pick these up, and right now I believe they're on sale, and they lowered their prices too. So that's all that comes in this box. And then you also get the blending solution. It's called blending fluid. You also get that with this. So let me take out each one of these. I don't know how I want to store it. So cute. And they are glass. So I'm going to move this. I'm not going to throw this. I'm going to keep this as well. So we get 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. This is what they look like. They're so cute. So here's the white one, and they are metallic-y. So this one isn't metallic-y, but the other colors are. So we have these. You could tell these are the metallic ones. This is the rose gold. And I like on the back of the bottle, it tells you how to use it as well. It says apply art ink on a matte top coat. Gel top coat surface. Use blending fluid to dilute and create a desired pattern. Allow nails to air dry for for 15 seconds, finish with a glossy top coat. This is so pretty. And then the black. So I picked those up. And then the next thing I picked up was this. The Jenny, the Bling Queen kit. And look at how pretty this little box, this little case is. It's so cute. I love holographic. So this is what it is. You get the pH bonder, the primer, the extend gel, and the top coat, and then you get a little lamp. I'm glad they changed to this one because before it was a little square one, and I heard a lot of people were having trouble using that. They also have a USB cord in the pocket right here for the lamp. And then you have your manual, and then you have how to use this. And this is Jenny's secret. This is who collabed with this one. So let's remove this, and then in the bottom you have the nails. This is what it looks like, and then you just press it to turn it on and off. And I saw that they had a magnet holder. Oh shoot, it's turning on. Okay. Okay, so I saw they do have a magnet holder, and I want to get that instead of holding it. And then you get your tips, which are the ones that Jenny designed, because it says designed by Jenny's Secret. These are the extra long stilettos, and I can't wait to use. Oh, it makes me sad they don't have 00. The 0 fits a little bit too big on that one. Ooh, it's almost perfect. Oh my god, look, let me show you. Oh, you just have a little tiny space on the edges. That's so cool. I can't wait to use these. And look how long these are. Let's put it on here. Look how long that is. That's super long. I'm so excited to use these because I think this is like the length I use my nails anyways. So I can't wait to try these out. Stay tuned for that video. I'm also going to unbox my Black Friday, the Black Friday sale that the stuff that I bought for Black Friday from this website. So be sure to check out that. I think it should be here by Saturday. I'm not sure. I don't know how long they're gonna take. This didn't take that long either. This took maybe, I ordered it on a Saturday and it came on Saturday, so maybe Saturday, maybe like a week. Look at how cute. It has a little diamond. That's so cute. So right now they do have their Cyber Monday sale, and let me see, let's go to the website to see. So they do have the Sean Legend one. I did get his tips. That's in my next order. So they are $100. So they do have a sale going on right now for Cyber Monday. Let's see the email. Today only receive a free mystery gift. So if you do order from them, you do get a mystery gift, but you have to buy $49 or more, and you get free shipping. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you all want to see some type of design or something, let me know and I will do that. Just leave it in the comment section and I will do that with these. So let me know what y'all want to see, how y'all want to see me do this. Should I do this from like the beginning, from prep and everything? Or should I just have them on already and just do a design? Let me know. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you get notified of my next video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.